it here. All right, here we go. Fire and hold. And you know what? I forgot my band. Let me just get into this. Enough talk. Let's go. Ready, VIPs? On your mark. You get up here. Get set. Up. Go. 30 seconds on the clock. You know what? I could easily give you a little cardio burst, give you a little dance. No, you're going to get some biscuits and you're going to get some gravy. And you're going to get some heavy lifting because I respect you ladies too much to play with your results. Your results are my results. I need to squeeze so hard you get a brain freeze. Come on. Squeeze. Last one. Relax. Right here, we're going to stay here for the sake of time, okay? Going back in. We're going to go in and out with the knees now. Getting inner thigh, outer thigh, glutes, everything. If your lower body is screaming makeover, this is what you need to do. On your marks. Get set. Go. In and out. Now chin is tucked in. Stimulating your thyroid, which stimulates your metabolism. You're blasting your booty. 360 degrees. Also inner thigh, outer thigh. Imagine your legs like wings, angel wings. Get them going. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. We have one more set, ladies, but go ahead and get your easy curl bar because we're going to be going into crown shredders, okay?